Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave YouTube channel. Today is November the 5th and we are looking at Bitcoin here as our chart of the day 1 hour time frame. Looking for the downside within wave 3 in the minor degree, and within wave 3 we subdivide into 5 waves. We got this 1, 2, and then now looking to complete wave 3 of 3. So current rally is expected to continue to fail in 3711. So it's a short-term sort of intraday rally here. Now if you just simply use the extension analysis, we should be more or less turning lower very soon here, right? We have reached the 100% extension, so we could potentially turn lower again very soon to resume to the downside. So as long as the 116,400 is holding, expect more downside in Bitcoin. Zooming out to the larger time frame, I don't really want to talk about the long term here, okay, but just short term and medium term, okay. And here we got this 4 hour time frame, right? And if you copy this with 116,400, it is around, where is one here, right? This is the wave 2, and so that means this is your wave 1, right? Something like this. Now it doesn't matter what wave, you can label this whatever you want, WX, AP, and so on and so forth. Fact of the matter is we do have a lower low sequence, and that's all it matters, right? What wave this is really not mattering that much. Now if I just simply measure the extension from the peak to this 1 and 2 here, okay, now you can see we have sort of the minimum target here somewhere around this area, right? Okay, here we go. Somewhere around this area is the minimum target, right? Potentially can go to 1.618. So at minimum, I'm looking for 91,000 to 95,000 as the target on the downside, and this become a 5 ways. So far it's only 3 swings, and so again, any kind of rally for now, shorter cycle is expected to fail now for another leg down in Bitcoin. Okay, so that is the idea here, guys. Pretty simple. And as always, if you want to get more updates on Bitcoin or any other cryptos, indices, Forex, stocks, feel free to check our service. You can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.